Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the new Meta Quest 2. Now it doesn't matter if your box says Oculus Quest 2 or Meta Quest 2, it's the exact same thing. It just depends on the branding that you're going to get your box and pretty much everything within it. Anyways, let's just start off with unboxing. We do have these tabs right here on the side, so we can just take those out. On this other side also have a little tab. Now you just slide this out, and then inside the box we're gonna see everything that we want. So it's actually really easy to set this up, and I do have a setup video and a review. So this right here is brand new. You can see the branding all the way around it is actually with the Oculus branding, which is pretty nice. And some of you might order Meta Quest 2 and get the Oculus branding. Others might get the Meta branding. Again, it's the same thing. It's gonna be the exact same stuff that you get inside. It's just the branding that changes along. Anyways, let's just take out everything from here. Gonna get these guys. And I do want to note that on the box itself, you're gonna get these instructions, which is the easiest thing ever. And actually to set this up, it's really easy. So you have to watch out for this for the setup, and then this is just adjusting to your head size. So as long as you don't see anything blurry, it should be fine. Anyways, right now what we're looking at is everything you get inside the box. So let's just check out what's inside of here. We're going to see the charger. Now this is to charge your actual headset, by the way. It does look quite like the Apple chargers for your iPads, for example. So here's a good close-up of the charger so you guys can see all the details from it on the back as well. And that's how it looks all the way around. Now here's the cable that you get with it. This is just USB-C, USB-C. That's all, pretty simple. So that would plug into here, and then this end would go to your Oculus. Actually, whichever end can go to your Oculus. And I do want to note that it's a very long cable. It's long enough. You don't really need longer than this. Now inside here, we're just going to see a few manuals. You're going to see everything has that branding from Oculus in this case. Here is the reference guide. Just tells you a little bit about this. But again, I will be doing a setup video, so you guys don't really need to read none of this. Now this right here is a glasses spacer. So again, this is if you have glasses, you would use this. If not, you can just leave it alone, put it back inside the box. But that's about how you would use this. Now here are the controllers that you get with everything else. Pretty simple. It tells you which one's right, which one's left. However, you can take out those stickers because later on, inside the game, you're going to see which one's which. So I really wouldn't worry about that. Now you'll notice on the bottom, you've got the strap. So here it is. And this is just to tie it around your wrist so you won't go flying off when you're playing certain games. So here it is to give you a good close-up of the controller that you get. This one's the right one. The left one's the exact same thing. So here you go. This one's the left one. And again, we can just take out these tags here because we don't really need them. Inside the game, you're gonna see which one's which. Anyways, right now let's get to the Oculus itself. So here it is. It's pretty light. It's not too heavy. You notice there's some stickers all the way around. But on the back, now here's what I was looking for actually. I was looking for unboxings is if you get this. Now this is the silicone cover. You do get one. So others refer to this as a sweat guard, which is actually extremely useful. So you're probably gonna need to put this on for sure. Silicone covers are a must when you're using these headsets. So again, this is the silicone cover that you get for it. And yeah, that's how it looks all the way around. So let me just show you all the way around the silicone cover. It's pretty basic. It's a really thin silicone cover. But anyways, let's just move on. I'm just going to take this out. And it's good to note that they already tell you some instructions to move the lenses so you get a clear view, because it will be a little bit blurry until you adjust your headset even on your head. And here is how it looks from the inside. So again, it tells you no liquid cleaners and also no sunlight on the lens. So you gotta keep it out of any sunlight. Other than that, you can take these off. And we're gonna take a look at the lenses. So here they are. Now what I personally use on my cameras, for example, is a lens pen. The lens pen does just fine. I plan to do the same thing with this whenever I need to clean the actual lens. Other than that, it might be useful to buy a protector for it, so you just put a cover on them. However, that's not really needed if you always have this stored up properly. So once again, this is how it looks like all the way around. You're gonna notice there's a button right here for volume, up and down. You're gonna see the power button on the side. Let me just focus in a little bit. So here's the power. I'm gonna take out this sticker as well, because we don't really need it. It's just a cover, really. So once again, this has the Oculus branding, you're gonna notice, and others will have the Meta branding. But regardless, it's the exact same product, exact same thing. On this side, you're gonna see that's where you can charge it up, USB-C. On the bottom, well, we already took a look at that. That was just the plus and minus sign. That's just for your volume. Power key once again. And that's it. There's not much to this. And that's because it's something really simple and something extremely simple to set up. Anyways, as of now, we are all done. That's the unboxing. Once again, these are the main things that you get with it. And let's not forget about the sweat guard and the charger that you get with it as well. Don't forget to check out the setup video that's coming right up in my channel. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.